Hello, welcome to my bedroom. For today's video, I'm going to combine two videos in one. I'm gonna doing makeup with techniques and products that I hate, and let's talk about pores. As my experience. Well, let's start with something that I really hate. You know, this headband, this ridiculous headband, this thing. Why? Because it makes my hair flat. I hate doing my makeup in a hot temperature. My hair is already greasy because of the sweat. Talk about boys, huh? How do you know if a guy like you? If a guy is like you, you'll know. If you're confused, he's not. As simple as that. I'm gonna using this primer. For me, I feel like I waste my money on this because my face is already oil gland production. Just put it slightly. I'm not gonna be overly dramatic and put it all over my face. Gonna rub it. Thanks, primer. For dry skin, you'll love this because this makes At first, I was loving this concealer, but at the end, I kinda hated it. It's from the same concealer that I already used. It's just creasing on my eye bags, even though I already set in it. Just gonna blend this shit with my finger. I don't know why, but I always do my makeup bad in front of camera. Do you feel the same? Now we are gonna using the foundation. This is from Catrice. It's already broken as hell. I used to love this foundation, but at the end of the day, this foundation turns into pink. Obviously, a yellow undertone. Just put a wrong shade. I don't really like blend my foundation using my finger. I don't try to make myself look uglier. I'm just ugly. And this foundation makes my skin a little itchy. Now we are gonna set this foundation and concealer using Legendary powder. This is Marks in the shade white. I kinda hate this thing. If I put it on my table, they just like, hello, I'm everywhere, hello, and hello. And now we're gonna set as the same powder here to set my entire face. Oh yeah, and the smell. It's like your grandma's perfume. I'm sorry. I don't like my eyebrows to look brown. Yeah. Sign if a guy is a fuckboy. He has a lot of girl space friends. He just had a lot and everywhere. Everywhere he goes, he talks to girls. If his messengers looks like dormitory of girls, probably 100% a fuckboy. How do you know if a guy is cheating on you? Easy. Now we're gonna beat our face with some contour. I hate this thing because the contour color, it doesn't make sense with my skin tone. And why even I bought it? Using the darkest color and just blend it. It looks like my face just got I start to hate my face. Everything is too dark and too white. I kinda hate this eyebrow gel. I bought the wrong color, but this thing is suck. Let me show you. You better stop. So I bought this one product. It is 4-in-1. It's as an eyeshadow, as a blush, and as a lipstick. A neon pink. We're gonna using this color, this contour color as an eyeshadow. I kinda hate this technique too. Eyeliner. This is the technique of eyeliner that I really hate because I suck at it, and every time I learn it just look bad on me. You know, like the inner corner and the wing like really high. Haven't talked about boys yet. I don't understand. Some people use contour like this with a fan brush. So I have an axe.
That is not correct.
So I have an axe, and he is a 100% fuckboy. If he is a fuckboy, then he's a fuckboy. You can't trust him. You cannot. And you think, oh, maybe when I be his girlfriend, he will change. No. He did not change. He's just getting worse. It's because you are one of his collection, and he is already got you. Then you just a collection. I'm gonna using this fake eyelashes from Naked Tree. This is fake. This is not real. I just hate this shape. The band is not really nice, and it just hurt my eye. I really hate these eyelashes so much than the way I hate my axe. Ow! Ow! How to not catch a feelings for someone that you just met. Number 1, don't make a move. Because the more you make a move to getting close to him, the more you fall for him. And if he is falling for you back, it is like a happy ending, but most of the time, he's not. So don't make any action to getting close to him, like texting him, replying his stories. Number 2, if you met him every day, just think that he just regular. Okay, maybe he got the good look, oh, he's attractive, but that's it. He just attractive. He just attractive and cute, and that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. He just regular. You'll meet a handsome guy or a cute guy everywhere, believe me. Like on the road, on the mall. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. I know, I look ridiculous. Now, let's move to the lips. We are using the same lipstick. Did the door just move around? Now it's complete. Now it's time to undo the headband.
You better stop!
This is the reason why I hate this headband. Thanks for watching this shit video.